This Emerson TV lc401em2f has no power light whatsoever. Take all your screws off in the back, including the ones for the standoffs. Be able to slide out your standoff that way. And this should pop off. And then what you're looking at right here is your power board and your main board. You have your inverter board to the left. We always want to make sure and check the capacitors and see if they're swelled, which there's none on this board. Then we'll check your fuse for continuity. Make sure you have a closed continuity on it or a short. That's what you're looking for. If you bought one of these for $5, $10 at Walmart, and if you put it on this here, this checks for continuity, and it has an audio tone. And what you need to do next is these little black guys right here with a lion on them, they're called diodes. And if they don't read, that's fine. But if you do come across one like this, that diode there is shorted out. I'm going to take these screws off the board here, disconnect the connectors, and we're going to look and see if it's just this diode or if there's another circuitry along with it. I removed this connector here. My short goes away on this diode, and I've checked from this goes to the ground. This diode here, fuse goes to the ground, and with this ribbon cable gone, it's not shorted anymore. I'm going to reconnect this, and I'm going to actually test and see which connection point here is connected to it. And I noticed over here, I don't know if they are connected or not, but this jumper here, which is ground, there's a resistor touching it. Not sure if that's a good or bad thing. Normally you would have the leads, the resistor standing straight up like this. So we will check this and see which part on this is shorted to ground. And if I remove this resistor here and it's still, if the short goes away, that kind of makes me curious what damage this could have caused. And there you go. Pressing down on this resistor, it's because of that right there. And I can actually see like an arc there. I'm going to get the better scope out and I'll show you. I'll hook it up to the phone. You see right there where it was connected. And that right there. So for whatever reason they had this pushed over. And it was touching this ground connection here. And the customer said she heard a noise. So I'm not sure where that resistor actually goes to, what it functions. This is just a 3-in-1 camera lens you can buy off of eBay real cheap. You can actually get the focus real close to something. I thought that was neat to have in videos like this. So now my short's gone away. I'm going to plug everything back up together and see if it actually fixed the TV. I plugged it in and now I have a red light. I actually heard the relay click. Let's see if it actually turns on. I'm not sure which is the power button. It's on the bottom. I got screen. I know it's lit up. So I'm going to put it back together and we're going to test it to the cable. Digital television. It says video 2. I got my PlayStation hooked up to it. We got sound. Cool. Awesome. So we got video, TV's working. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I'll see you next time.